You have 58 minutes to leave.
What is wrong with you? Eh? Why would you say a thing like that to me? A woman. I'm talking, talk to me now. Are you okay? Babe.
Madam, are you insane?
Can you imagine?
Have you lost your mind?
Me, 58 minutes. You must be mad. You must be very, very stupid. You don't have sense. I know you are poor, but I don't think that being poor can make someone to lose his mind.
How can you say such a degenerate thing to my girlfriend? Who are you? Who are you to decide who is going to live and who is not going to live?
I am so sorry to disappoint you. You are not my God. Okay? You can never take my life. You are not my God. What without you? Evil woman, poor wretched witch.
Look at her.
Baby, come,
Let me tell you, if anything happens to my woman, I'm going to come and get you arrested. What is wrong with you? You just see people walking by and you just start spewing nonsense at them.
I feel like slapping her now, sir.
It's okay. No need for that. Let's go. Look at you. Beggar, poor beggar like you.
Babe, see. You need to go and collect my money.
No, just let her keep
Baby,
the
I
money.
need to. No! I need to. Let me take my money.
Look at her.
Go. You don't deserve this naira at all.
Someone that they are trying to help.
Rubbish. Look
at who they are trying to help.
It's you that have 5 minutes. 2 minutes is short.
30 seconds, you'll be gone. Come in. You're welcome. Please, have a seat. Make yourself comfortable. So, what do I offer you?
Anything soft is fine. You have juice.
Yes.
Juice is fine.
I'll be right back.
She the lady? Yes, she's the one. She's the one for the sacrifice. Perfect. You don't have time. About less than an hour. Less than an hour. Oh my goodness. So what are we going to do? We need to find a way to make her unconscious for the moment. Okay? If we make her unconscious, then we can take her to the grandmaster.
You have 58 minutes to leave.
You think the grandmaster will accept? No, she's okay. She's perfect for the sacrifice. Okay, she asked me to give her a drink. Okay, yes, that's perfect. So just put the pills inside the drink and serve it to her. She'll go unconscious and they will move. Okay, just wait. Oh no. So, oh, there's no time. You don't have time. You think she's good? She's okay. She bring good money. Why are you shaking? She's okay. Okay, I'm having. Stop shaking. Go and do this thing. Be a man, go and do this thing. Okay, I'm back again. I'm going to the kitchen. Okay, go pour it up.
Chioma. Baby. Babe. What's going on? Why are you calling? I wanted to go get her the juice from the kitchen, and I noticed she's no longer here. Chioma!
This means there's trouble. You need to go and look for her. Look for her. You don't have time. You don't have time. Remember, you don't have time.
You narrowly escaped with your life.
How did you know? How did you know?
I'm a spiritualist.
Hey.
I inherited it from my grandfather. And I see beyond. While I was telling you, you did not want to listen to me. God saved you. You need to go back to your house. Don't ever go back to him.
Okay, ma.
And be careful.
Okay, ma. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry for all the things that I said to you. Seriously, I didn't mean it. Please forgive me, okay? Please.
It's all right.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's
God bless
all right.
you.
You can go.
God bless you. Forgive
Just be
me.
careful.
I will, ma. I will. Thank you very much, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Be careful.
Go and look for her. I can't run mad. I can't run mad. I can't run mad for business. I can't run mad. It's not my business. You say you want to make money. Go and look for her. Why should you look for someone else?
Where am I going to find someone else like
You are
this?
saying? Are you asking me? Listen, you don't have time. You don't have time. The earlier you go to check on her, the better for you.
No.
What sort of trouble is this?